1. 1970 Cadillac DeVille, $2,350, Garden City, Michigan. A 1970 Cadillac DeVille Coupe priced at $2,350. It runs and drives well with 40,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a big block 472 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, wires, and coil. The floorboard needs some patchwork, but the rest of the body is solid. Comes with pop-out door locks, though they are not installed. Clean green title included. Two, 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, $2,399, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 is a complete project car, available for $2,099. It has a stock 289 V8 engine, currently disassembled for rebuilding, and a C4 automatic transmission that was functioning before removal. The car retains all its trim and interior components. Clean title in the seller's name. Open to trades for a motorcycle or enclosed trailer with a title. Three, 1963 Ford B600, $1,000, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. A 1963 Ford B600 with a 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission, priced at $1,000. It comes with title paperwork and will run, drive, and stop with a new ignition and fuel line. The ignition key is broken and the fuel tank's condition is unknown. The drivetrain is solid, but the body has extensive rust. A major restoration project with a firm asking price. Four, 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $2,500, Gainesville, Georgia. A 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo roller project car, listed for $2,500. Originally purchased new in Georgia, it still has the original VIN-matching window sticker. The chassis has been sanded and painted, and much of the bodywork has been completed, though it still needs finishing. The car comes with front-end pieces. The seller is primarily looking for cash, but may consider trades, excluding ATVs, dirt bikes, and watercraft. Five, 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, 2000, Marietta, Georgia. A 1975 Chevrolet Camaro project car priced at $2,000. It requires a full restoration, but comes complete with an engine and automatic transmission. The car has not been tested for functionality, but does include a new battery, a solid foundation for a classic muscle car rebuild. Six, 1951 Ford Tudor, Castalian Springs, Tennessee. This 1951 Ford Shoebox Tudor features a 226 flathead 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. Recent upgrades include new brakes, wheels, tires, carburetor, and a 12-volt conversion with a 6 to 12-volt converter for the factory gauges. The speedometer needs a square pin for functionality. Finished in patina paint with 3 coats of clear. A great classic for cruising or car shows. Open to trades for other classic cars only. 7, 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan, $2,000, Hampton, South Carolina. A 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan, available for $2,000. Powered by a 327 small block V8 with a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission. The car will start but needs to be trailered due to brake egg issues. The distributor and carburetor are not included but will remain on the car for demonstration. Comes with a clean title and the original owner's manual. 8, 1961 Cadillac Series 60, $500, Louisville, Kentucky. A 1961 Cadillac Series 60 4-door sedan, Offered as a parts car for $500 or best offer. No title, but a bill of sale is provided. The grille is included and the interior is 99% complete. The body is in solid condition overall, but will require a trailer for transport. Part of an estate sale. 9. 1984 Oldsmobile 88, $1,600, Newberry, South Carolina. 1984 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $1,600. It needs engine work but can start and run. The windshield leaks, leading to interior moisture issues and mold. The car drove well before the issues arose. The hood is included, but the seller is no longer interested in working on it. Open to offers. (10) 1971 Pontiac LeMans, 1800, Sevierville, Tennessee. A 1971 Pontiac LeMans rolling shell listed for $1,800. The car has no engine, no transmission, and no title. The seller cannot provide a title, but buyers can apply for one after purchase. Available as a parts car only, with the option to buy the whole vehicle or select parts. (11) 1965 Plymouth Valiant, $2,500, Ardmore, Alabama. This 1965 Plymouth Valiant is a project car priced at $2,500. It features a slant 6 engine with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission, though the engine appears to be locked. The car has all the chrome trim except for the front bumper, but lacks interior components. The seller took it in on trade and is selling to fund other projects.